Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a haul review and a skincare video because I bought a lot of products from Plum. I actually ordered all the products from the green tea range, and as you can see right here, I ordered all the products from the green tea range, and I am going to share my experience with the product, my opinion about the product, whether it is worth the money, it is worth the hype. Because let's talk straight, this is quite a hype product, guys. I mean, everybody is talking about this product since the product has been launched, and it had such nice reviews. So yeah, I thought of giving it a try, and what better time than the 6th birthday of Plum, and they were celebrating it, so they were giving a good 40% discount on this range. I thought of buying up this product. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so one more thing that I forgot to mention before, that it is for combination oily and sensitive skin. So yeah, if somebody with acne prone skin or combination skin, they can definitely give this a try because it is specifically for that skin type, and I think it will definitely work for that. So starting off with the face wash, so this is green tea pore cleansing face wash, and this is how it looks, the outer packaging. Okay, so about this face wash, you guys, this face wash is so nice. I mean, this is such a mild cleanser, still it cleanses your skin thoroughly. Matlab, your face will be cleansed thoroughly, all the dirt will be out and it will be clean, but it will not leave your skin dry. That is a plus point. Also, for all the products in this range, at least I think they do not make your skin dry and they do not make your skin oily. It is somewhere in between, it has a nice balance. It leaves your skin really soft and nice. So that is about it. But the face wash is really nice. Also, it has a very refreshing fragrance. Okay, so the second product from this range is Plum Green Tea Alcohol Free Toner, and this is the bottle that it comes in. And I did not used to use toner before I bought this range. Frankly speaking, I did not used to use toner, but because it was in the range, so I tried it. And somebody who do not know what a toner is and what does it work for, toner actually helps shrink the pores, open pores on your skin. So why shrink open pores on your skin? Because with the pollution and dirt, dust, everything around you, they tend to accumulate in the open pores and they clog it, so you get acne and a lot of skin issues. So for that reason, you really need to cleanse your pores and shrink them. So this cleanser that I was talking about before, I think this is really good. This is a mild cleanser, but it cleanses out thoroughly. So the toner also does the work really nicely. I think when you use it regularly, it definitely helps to shrink your pores. It helps brighten up your face a little bit. So I think the toner does the work really nicely. For the first toner that I've been using, this has been working really nice, and it has been doing all the jobs that I here the toner has to do. So yeah, the toner was also a good product. Okay, so coming to the moisturizer, it is green tea mattifying moisturizer, and this is the packaging. So I think the cleanser and the moisturizers have been my favorites in this range because it is such a nice moisturizer. It is so hard to find a moisturizer that does not leave your skin sticky and hydrates your skin as well. So I think this moisturizer works really well for that. So this is the packaging that it comes in, and it really is good. You guys, if you are somebody who has oily skin, combination skin, then I think this will work really good for you, because I have combination skin, and most of the moisturizers that I apply, they tend to make my skin more sticky, so it is hard to use a moisturizer. But this moisturizer is so freaking good, and this does not make your skin oily at all. Plus it hydrates your skin really well, so it is not that it is not doing its job and it is just there. It is doing its job and not making your skin oily at the same time. So yeah, that was the plus point of this moisturizer. So I really like the moisturizer. So moving on to the mask, this is the green tea clear face mask, and this is the outer packaging. And Okay, so this is the packaging that it comes in, and I'll show you how it is from inside as well. So this is how it is from inside, and the very first thing that comes to my mind the moment I open this container is the refreshing fragrance. You guys, I'm telling you, it is so damn nice. The fragrance is such nice, refreshing fragrance. You're going to love it. Talking about how it works, it also works really nicely, really good. It instantly brightens up your skin. It does not make your skin dry, but still cleanses it, clears your skin. It really does the job nicely. Also, one of the things about this mask was that it gives a tingling sensation when you apply it, but I personally don't mind it because I think it is doing its job. So yeah, it is a little tingling sensation when you apply it, but then it gets okay. So it is not something that is troublesome, at least for me. The last product from this range was Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel, and this is the outer packaging. So talking about this gel, you guys, if you want something that leaves your skin hydrated and soft throughout the night, and when you wake up in the morning you have a bright hydrated face, so this is the gel. So this is the packaging that it comes in. This is the container, and I'll show you the gel as well from inside. So this is the gel. Okay, so talking about this night gel, it is first of all very light. It is such light formula. It does not feel heavy at all while you go to sleep. It really feels very comfortable. Second of all, it hydrates your skin really well. The morning when you see yourself, when you wake up, your skin is in such good condition. You're going to love it if you're going to use it regularly. So this is one of those products that you have to use regularly to see a change and how it works. So I think this works really nicely. Also, you would be thinking why I still have everything in packaging. I did this just because of the video. I had all the boxes with me because I knew I was going to make the video someday. So I had all the boxes, and I did it just to show you guys what is the packaging like, and the packaging is super cute, so I really wanted to show you. Last product from Plum was All Day Wear Kohl Kajal, and this is the outer packaging that it comes in, and this is the kajal, and this is the kajal that I have applied today. This is the kajal that I have used today. And talking about this kajal, guys, this is such an amazing product. I haven't seen a smudge proof kajal like this before. Seriously, I haven't used smudge proof kajal like this before. I'll just apply it and show it to you how it is. So this is how it looks, and now you guys see. Guys, if you wear it for a full day, it is not going to smudge. I mean, that's really great. So this was actually a complimentary gift with the green tea range. So the offer was that if you buy above 1200, then you will get this as a complimentary gift, and if you buy above 2000, I guess, you are going to get a mini green tea range pack free. So yeah, this kajal, even if I have to pay for it, I would, because this is definitely a must-have product. This is such nice. You apply it in the morning, by the evening it will be intact. It will not smudge at all, and this is the first time I'm seeing a kajal do that actually. So yeah, I'm really impressed by the products. Talking about the range and the products on the whole, I think it is an amazing range, amazing products. On the whole, the products were really nice. You should definitely give it a try.